Hello and welcome back to Ebuzor's Corner TV, where we share simple, tasty, and practical meal ideas for everyday living. Today, we are putting together a beautiful balanced lunchbox meal with separately cooked rice and beans, delicious stew, fresh vegetables by the side, and boiled egg on top. This is not rice and beans porridge. The rice is cooked separately, nice and fluffy, and the beans are cooked separately until soft and tasty. When packed together in a lunchbox, they make the meal look neat, colorful, and very inviting. To arrange the lunchbox, start by adding your cooked rice into one section. Then add your cooked beans beside it. Next, spoon your delicious homemade stew over the rice and beans. The stew brings that rich flavor and beautiful color that makes the whole meal come alive. On the side of the lunchbox, add your vegetables. You can use steamed vegetables, stir-fried vegetables, or fresh crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumber, cabbage, sweet corn, green peas, green beans, or bell peppers. This gives the lunchbox freshness, color, and extra nutrients. To complete the meal, add your boiled egg. The egg gives extra protein and makes the lunchbox more filling and satisfying. And there you have it, a simple but complete balanced lunchbox meal. The rice gives you energy, the beans provide protein and fiber, the vegetables add vitamins and freshness, the stew brings flavor, and the boiled egg adds extra nourishment. This is a meal you can take to work, pack for school, enjoy during a busy day, or prepare ahead for the family. It is colorful, affordable, filling, and healthy, everything you want in a proper lunchbox. Drop a comment at the comment section and tell me where you are watching from, and I will send you a complete recipes for lunchboxes. Your busy schedule should not make you go hungry or eat any junk. Rather, you can eat quality homemade meal that you can carry along with you with ease. Thank you for watching Ebuzor's Corner TV. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more simple homemade meal ideas. See you in the next video, and remember, your lunchbox can be simple, balanced, and delicious.